Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I got some toy guns to review. Um, I got two toy guns from a festival, and I got three Nerf guns from Goodwill. So let's get right into it. Um, so I went to a thrift store today, and I got these. Um, this is Nerf edition, and let's get right to them. Um, Comment down below what this is called. Let me know in the comment section. This is where you prime the gun, and that's your trigger. It has 5 dart storage, and it shoots 1 dart at a time. Alright. I like the distance, and I like the colors. Okay, so, and also I got these. These are called the Nerf Laser Ops Classic Ion. It doesn't shoot anything. It just makes sound effects. Like there's a button right here. This is how you turn it on, and it glows. And to change the color is down here. And press the trigger, and you're ready to go. Yeah. So yeah, it's great to have a battle with these stuff. And yeah. Okay, up next is these two right here. So I got these over a festival 2024. So these does not shoot anything. You just make sound effects and lights. Okay? But this one is actually pretty cool, in my opinion. So the reason it's cool, and because it glows in dark. Watch this. Like, watch the burials. So it glows in dark, and these two burials goes up down, and this one spins. That's pretty cool. But anyways, comment in the comment section what these are called. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Peace out.